This short video will show you how to create your favorite folders and use them in iCoder. We can start by searching for a code we want to add to our favorites list. Tapping the New Folder button allows you to create a new folder to place your favorite code. Enter the name and tap on Create. We'll now find another code to add to our favorites. Since we already have a folder, iCoder shows you all available favorite folders for CPT codes. You can add the code to an existing folder or create a new one. To see your favorite codes, use the Start button on the toolbar. Tapping any of the folders will show you all the codes inside. You can have separate folders for ICD10, CPT, and ICD10 procedures. Let's create a favorite folder for an ICD10 code. You will see both code categories separately. To modify your favorites, tap on the Edit button and choose which folder to edit. You can rename or delete the folder from the pop-up dialog. Let's rename this folder to Follow-up Visit. And let's delete the Wounds folder.